Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to just show you a quick overview. I might still add something because once I make something and I look at it for a while, I'm like, okay, you know what? It's missing something. But anyway, this is for Scrapdiva29's 11,000 subbies on YouTube. Like, I can't even imagine that many followers. Like, but she is good and she's got a lot of followers because who wouldn't want to see her beautiful stuff? So because she reached that great point on her YouTube, she is giving a giveaway. And there's like, I think she added one more, so 7 sponsors, and then she's giving goodies of her own, like so generous, and all the prizes are amazing. So I'll link down the challenge below, and then I'll link down the updated, she put more info about your memory dex card that's part of it. So I still need to make the bag that this is supposed to go in, but I forgot about it, and then I was like, shoot. Okay, anyway, so I designed this, so it has to be baking themed, the 2 tags, and the reason is so that she can attach it. She loves cooking, like, not cooking, baking sugar cookies and stuff, so she wants to tie tags on to her little goodie bags. So I made this little guy. Let's see if we're in frame this time. It's like the KitchenAid mixer, inspired by that, and usually it says like KitchenAid right here, but I had that cut out and I lined it with black so that it would pop through so you can see the letters. It says baked with love, and then I did a little tag that's on there, permanently on there. It says love Erica. And then for the mixer bowl, I was like, okay, I had a vision in my head. I was like, I want it to be a shaker, but I want it to be like a big mixer, and I'm gonna have to make it myself. So I just did 5 layers of cardstock, 110-pound cardstock, and then the top frame is like gray with the back as well, like to mimic the bowl. And look at it, I put little heart, like glitter or whatever it is in there, and it just shakes. Then I used the Target Dollar Spot sparkly pink trim, and that turned out so cute. And I first did purple because that's her favorite color, so, and then I was like, you know what, let's switch it up, let's do a different color as well. So I did a pink one. So I just topped it off with like a little I used the print and cut feature on my Silhouette Cameo for this. Printed it, then it cut it, like shaped like a little tag. Some baker's twine. These little flowers are from like Michael's or Joint. Michael's, yes, Michael's. Super cute. I love the way they turned out, and I hope that she loves them as well. Then another part, so these go in the front pocket of the bag that I have not made yet. Is the memory dex card. Now, I don't collect these or really swap these because I don't have a memory dex like holder thing to hold them. So I didn't have a die. I had no clue like the size of these things, but in one of her videos, she links down below how to get the you can either make this with a punch board or you can make it with your Cricut. And I'll link down the link that I used as well for her. And it's a pretty good tutorial. She tells you how to do it, and you don't have to resize anything, which I loved. So it has to be pastel colors. Well, not has to be, but she requested it, so why would you do otherwise? She wants it to match and be cohesive. Okay, so I just did this cloud. I cut this cloud out and embossed it with stars because that's like magical, right? Then I was going to write, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle, but I didn't realize how tiny, like this may look big on camera, I don't know, but I feel like it's the size of a business card, just a little bit fatter. I don't know. These are tiny. It's like 4x3, I think. So anyway, I just did sparkle, then a little bow with the Target Dollar Spot, some Maggie Holmes hearts, and some enamel dots backed on this rainbow with gold foil specks on it. That's from Michael's, the expensive like $2 papers. I was obsessed with it though and bought a bunch of it. Yeesh. Then the unicorn, I had stickled like almost like hair strokes on the tail, but I totally forgot, turned it around, and it smushed it, so I had to like flatten it out, like totally cramping my style. Then I did stickles on the horn and on the hooves. Then the back, hold on. I did, hold on, let's see if I can do this better. On the back, I did this iridescent sheet. It's kind of like acetate. I don't know if you can tell. You see it glistening? Very magical, right? And then because I could not get it to glue down with, I did like a test run first with spray adhesive. Like you could see all the glue because it's, you know, it's acetate and you can see it. So I was like, what the heck? So I just sewed it on with my sewing machine all the way around. And then I was like, you know what? Now there's a pocket. Let's just shove some sequins in there. So I did white, iridescent white, and gold sequins in there. Then my YouTube craft purge, Instagram craft purge, birthday, your favorite candy, favorite colors, and always need my hot glue gun. And then our address is what was required. Then for extra points, she said include a picture of yourself. So I just printed my YouTube picture in a circle and put it on a cloud and elevated it with some puffy tape to give it like dimension. And I inked the edges, but I didn't really like it. Then I stickled it. I didn't know what I was doing. So, but it's all right. So there we go. Oh, there we go. And there it is. You can hear it shaking on the other side. So that's it. My very magical Memory Decks card and my shaker KitchenAid things. All right, bye guys. Make sure you go check out her channel, and like I said, I will link her page down below with the direct link to those videos. Bye.